5 vitamins to balance hormones in women. Both men and women have more than 50 different hormones working in their bodies, each with specific tasks. However, hormonal imbalances are quite common, particularly among women, with over 80% experiencing some level of imbalance at various life stages like puberty, pregnancy, or menopause. These imbalances can lead to a range of symptoms, but the good news is that certain vitamins, minerals, and lifestyle changes can help restore balance naturally. In my earlier videos, I discussed various signs and symptoms of hormonal imbalance in women, as well as foods that can prevent these imbalances. In today's video, we'll dive into the top 5 vitamins and supplements that can help regulate and balance your hormones by providing direct support to your glands. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Number 1. Vitamin D3. Vitamin D is technically a hormone that your body produces when your skin is exposed to sunlight. It plays a vital role in helping your body absorb calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones as you age. Millions of people around the world are deficient in vitamin D, which can lead to bone issues such as osteoporosis and osteopenia in later years. It's recommended to take 10,000 IU, which is equal to 250 micrograms of vitamin D3 daily, to ensure adequate levels and support your immune system, particularly as you get older. Additionally, it's important to pair vitamin D3 with 100 microgram of vitamin K2, as this combination helps guide calcium into your bones, ensuring they remain strong and healthy. Number 2. Vitamin E. You can take a daily supplement of up to 600 milligrams of vitamin E, which supports the pituitary gland, the brain's master gland. The pituitary gland regulates the hormone release from other glands, including the thyroid, ovaries, and kidneys. Incorporating tocotrienols or consuming foods high in vitamin EA, such as avocados, sunflower seeds, and almonds, can assist in hormone balance. Women who suffer from symptoms like breast tenderness, menstrual pain, hot flashes, anxiety, or PMS often turn to vitamin E for relief. Tocotrienols also help maintain the fat layer under your skin, promoting hydration and elasticity in both your skin and hair. Number 3. DIM. To regulate hormones in both women and men, it's important to consume a variety of cruciferous vegetables, such as broccoli, radishes, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, and cabbage. These vegetables are rich in indole-3-carbinol and DIM, which assist the liver in maintaining balanced estrogen levels. An estrogen imbalance can elevate the risk of developing breast cancer, ovarian cysts, and infertility. DIM, derived from these vegetables, can help stabilize these hormones and even encourage the apoptosis of cancer cells. Additionally, DIM enhances the levels of antioxidants in the body, offering protection against aging and aiding in the detoxification of harmful substances like nicotine, alcohol, and pesticides. It may also help alleviate skin issues such as acne, pimples, oily skin, and dryness. DIM is available in capsule form, with a recommended dosage of 200 to 600 milligrams per day. If you're finding this information useful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated for my latest health and nutrition tips. Number 4. Ashwagandha. If you frequently experience stress, struggle to quiet your mind, or often wake up during the night, you might be dealing with an imbalance in cortisol levels. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb that has been utilized for thousands of years to assist the body and adrenal glands in coping with stress and regulating cortisol. A dosage of up to 2,000 milligrams of ashwagandha in capsule form can be taken to help balance thyroid hormones, adrenal hormones, and growth hormones. Number 5. Evening Primrose Oil. Evening Primrose Oil, available in capsule form at a dosage of 1500 milligrams taken throughout the day, is a potent source of gamma-linolenic acid. Gamma-linolenic acid assists in regulating prolactin levels, which can alleviate PMS symptoms such as irritability, depression, anxiety, fatigue, headaches, cravings, breast tenderness, and endometriosis. This oil helps decrease inflammation in your glands and enhances the sensitivity of your hormones, allowing for more effective signaling throughout the body. Women of all ages can benefit from evening primrose oil to ease PMS symptoms, and it is particularly effective for menopausal and postmenopausal women in alleviating night sweats, vaginal dryness, and hot flashes. So it was all about my today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more videos. As always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. I'll be back with an excellent video next time. Until that, take care of yourself.